This is quite significant. And you said that this is actually the first time that we're having an organization that is coming to honor our students in terms of their participation in SIWES. Now, before 9 years, we've been getting reports about Adron rules. I want to say that so far, the reports have been impressive. But, you see, when you've been getting reports from people, now that's what the pressure will only reflect when you have personal experience or personal encounter with such an organization. Now, for me, it's a personal encounter and a confirmation of the fact that Adron is a socially responsible organization. This is the opportunity for our students to come to the organization for SIWES program. Now, after that, you have also been able to identify those that have been hardworking. And I want to believe that some of them actually did well. But in the midst of all of them, you have also eventually identified someone that has done excellently well, coming by the second person and the third person. Now, what then you need to really establish that your organization is responsible? As I said, I want to say congratulations to you. And I believe that with what you are doing today, this is opening another chapter in our relationship with you. And I want you to know that we will continue to generously guide this relationship. And what we continue to sustain. The rector has always been supportive of partnership with corporate organizations. So, last year, when representatives of Adron came around through my office that they wanted to partner the Polytechnic, in particular through training of our SIWES students and IT students, and I recommended positively to the rector. The rector did not waste any time before approving their request. So that shows the kind of rector we are, always willing to cooperate with corporate organizations for the development of the Polytechnic. And earlier in the year, when we were having the SIWES institution, I was part of the team that came to Adron, and we saw the kind of facilities they have and the training they were giving our students. So we want to thank you for this also. It's not only students from Adron that actually did excellently during the SIWES. From other departments, we had commendation letters given to some students. We even posted some on WhatsApp platform yesterday. From hospitality, those who performed very well, they gave them commendation letters. From mechanical engineering, and some few other departments like that. So I'm saying this because that year, I know some of us also did brilliantly in our places of attachment. But it's only Adron that has thought it appropriate to award their own students. So when you see them collecting prizes, don't feel somehow. We appreciate your efforts in protecting the Polytechnic in positive light. So maybe some other time when other companies think it appropriate to join. So we'll do similarly for them. Finally, our directorate appreciates those who have put this program together, particularly the HODs and departmental SIWES coordinators of Mass Communication Department and Quantity Surveying. And not to forget the executives of Amateurs. I thank you.
Okay, we bring greetings for the group head, that is the person of our Adetola Emmanuel King, our boss at Adron Homes and Properties. Adron Homes and Properties is a leading Pan-African real estate that has its estate in over 40, it has over 40 estates in all over Nigeria, and we are glad to be in your midst. Standing on all protocol, my name is Ojo, and with me is CRO Ijenu and RO Richard. We are glad to have the students with us, to come with us, to work with us, to do their best in all we do in Adron. I want to say they did excellently well in all the assignment given to them, like from Karimas, Abiola, and the rest of them, Precious, and the likes. We want to appreciate the management. We for trusting us, for granting us money, giving us some of the students to come and do their SIWES with us. And what are we really into in Adron? We are into real estate. We sell land and houses in different locations. And also we have products for you youth that you can actually subscribe into. We have a package for you that you can actually enjoy for up to 48 months by paying bit by bit. Choose any of the estate that you're interested in. You can actually buy for investment purposes. That is when you buy, after you graduate, you can either sell or if you want, you can build in any of our estates, which is a good one. And I want to enjoin you that it's a very good one for you to invest even while you are in school.
Merit certificate, let's say SIWES Directorate, MAPOLY, is proudly presented to Abiola of Quantity Surveying Department for emerging as April's 2022-2023 third best SIWES trainee from Moshood Abiola Polytechnic. Abeokuta. Dated this day, 8 May 2024. Signed, Dr. Shodobu, SIWES Director, MAPOLY. Congratulations. Congratulations. And that's the representative of the GFP.
On behalf of the GFP, Adron and his beautiful wife, Aditola Imaneke. We are here to present him his gift for his contribution, efforts towards the growth of the Abiola region. Once again, I say congratulations.
Abiola. Like I said when I came in, I said I'm listening. She did, in fact, I don't even have a word to say. I don't have a word to say. It is just unimaginable. I want to say congratulations to you. On behalf of Adron, we want to present this gift to you. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you so much. All right.
On behalf of SIWES Director MAPOLY, this merit certificate only given to you. Shukurat Abiola of Mass Material Department for emerging as the Adron Homes 2023 second best West training of Moshood Abiola Polytechnic Abeokuta, signed by Dr. SIWES Director MAPOLY. Congratulations.
This is an abridged profile of Karima. Karima is an individual occupied in Oyo State, and she is the last
she's very composed. You know what I mean? She's very well composed. She's dedicated. She's intelligent. She's hardworking. She's smart. She's beautiful. So on behalf of all of us at the Delegates property, on behalf of our GMP, our gentleman Emmanuel and his wife Abeokuta, we present our award to you and we say a big congratulations to all of us here in the state,
for emerging as Adron Holds 2022-2023 Best SIWES Trainee from Moshood Polytechnic, Abeokuta, signed 8 May 2024 by my humble self, Dr. O.A. Sojobi. Congratulations. Let me appreciate you as what you are here. Lord, you do. There was a convocation ceremony in the university one time. As the students were passing and on the convocation ground, the father and the son, every time an awardee is invited to the podium for presentation, the father will come to his son and àwọn ọmọ nìyẹn. So this means, and I say to you today also, àwọn ọmọ nìyẹn. So let me give them a round of applause. Mass communication students, MAPOLY students, I won't tell you by my level better. You are not good. You are honorable students, boys and girls. I want you to be challenged by what happened here today. You can also come to your job tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching OTV.